I've had a Marcus by Goldman Sachs account for the last 6 years, and despite trying tons of competing options, I've kept using it for a few key reasons. Now in this video today, I'll cover everything you need to know about Marcus, including details around its HYSA and CD product offerings, so you understand if these are the right places for you to store your money. I'll also explain how HYSAs and CDs differ from one another because I know this can cause confusion for a lot of people. Make sure to stick around for the full video as I'll cover some pros and cons throughout. So let's go. Before diving in, make sure to click the link in the description to take our completely free finance assessment. It'll only take a couple minutes and it's a great way to see where you stand with your money. Marcus is the online consumer banking segment of Goldman Sachs Bank, and this is one of the top financial institutions in the world. You might know Goldman Sachs as being an investment bank that's been around for over 150 years. They generally work with corporations and ultra high net worth people. So Marcus is really just this segment where individuals like you and me can deposit our money. As you can see here, every Marcus product offers 24/7 customer support. There's FDIC insurance, which I'll explain in a moment, and also the interest compounds daily. Firstly, starting with Marcus's HYSA or high yield savings account, this is essentially an area that has risen in popularity in recent times as a safe alternative to the traditional brick and mortar banks. These tend to be online only and offer higher interest rates or APYs to consumers. So explained simply, when you use an HYSA like Marcus, you deposit your money into this account, and you get paid a higher interest amount generally versus a traditional bank. So for example, if the rate was 4% and you contributed $10,000, assuming the rate stays constant, you'd be earning $400 in interest. Now, compared with other banks, this can be more so like pennies and dollars. And again, this is why HYSAs have risen in popularity. You may be wondering how Marcus and other HYSAs can offer this higher APY. The answer is when compared with a traditional bank that has to pay for physical branches, bank tellers, and all types of overhead, since these offerings tend to be online only, there are less expenses, and ultimately you can be offered more interest as a depositor. Keep in mind that these rates are variable and they do change with the economy. As mentioned, there are a lot of competitors, but Marcus stands out for a few key reasons. To get started, you can click the link in the description. This should give you an APY boost. I think it's like 0.25% for 3 months. Or if you have a friend with an account, you can use their code as well. One of my favorite parts about Marcus is the account is simple. It's super basic. The UI is easy. And honestly, at the end of the day, it's really just a place to store your savings and earn interest. Additionally, there are no monthly fees. There are unlimited withdrawals of your money throughout the month and no minimum deposit. Also, you get same-day transfers up to 100K from other banks. And when you deposit money into your Marcus account from these external banks, although the funds likely won't be available that first day, you start earning interest the day that the transfer is received. Your deposits are safe as they're FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor. So if you have a joint account with somebody, that's $250K per person. Next, let's look at some pros. Firstly, the account is simple. It's by far the easiest HYSA I've ever used. I like this because it's only a savings account, there's no checking account portion, and it's really just a great place to store something like an emergency fund. You can take those funds, put it in your Marcus HYSA, and earn high interest while it sits there. Now, if you ever actually have to use that money, you can transfer it to an external bank and go from there. If you look at the account here, it's very basic UI. There's really no frills. You can see your transactions, the interest you've earned. You can go into your different tax documents if you have a 1099 form or anything like that. And again, super basic, very simple HYSA. Secondly is the APY. And Marcus doesn't necessarily have the highest APY, but it is extremely competitive and significantly better than a traditional savings account. And thirdly, the customer service. This is available 24/7. And in all honesty, with this type of account, you probably won't need to reach out too often. But beyond this, it's good to know that the support is there if needed. Before signing up though, I know I've said a lot of positives, so I do want to touch on a few cons as well. Con number one is that the account may be too simple. And what I mean by that is if somebody's looking for a complete banking solution where you have a checking account and a savings account, you get a debit card, this really isn't possible with Marcus. As I mentioned, it's only the savings account, there's no checking account, and that's really it. If you are somebody who wants that complete banking solution, I recommend using SoFi Checking Savings. And I've released a video on this channel pretty recently where I go into details about things, but I think that's probably the best alternative. Next up are a few cons that really apply to all HYSAs. Firstly, with APYs, the amount can be high, but it does change with the economy. The Federal Reserve sets what's called the federal funds rate, which is really a benchmark rate that impacts the entire economy. So if the Fed cuts this rate, APYs on your HYSAs tend to fall, and then vice versa if the Fed raises rates. Point being, the rate you see when you sign up is not locked in for the life of your account. Now this is different from CDs, which I'll be covering in a few moments here. So next up is taxes. Since savings accounts earn interest, the IRS considers this interest as taxable income. Marcus will send you a 1099 INT form, which will show you the amount of interest you've earned, and you'll have to pay some taxes on that amount more than likely. Now, to truly understand the impact of taxes, I recommend meeting with a tax professional who have more insight into your specific situation. The last con is that this account is online only. So there's no physical Marcus locations. You can't go in and meet with a bank teller. And for this reason, I recommend always keeping a traditional brick and mortar bank alongside an HYSA. As great as the HYSA is though, you may want to consider opening a Marcus CD as well. So a CD or certificate of deposit is a savings product from Marcus and other banks that is similar but also different to an HYSA. CDs pay you a fixed interest rate for a set period of time. With a CD, your money is technically locked up, but in exchange for this, you are getting a more predictable return or more predictable interest rate. For example, you could lock in a 4% CD right now for 6 months versus an HYSA where maybe it starts out at 3.65%. And then next month, if rates drop, it could go down to 3.5, 3.4. And for that entire period, although the money is locked up, you could be getting that 4% with the CD. The trade-off is that CDs tend to have an early withdrawal penalty. Make sure to stick around because I'll explain more about this in a moment. Now I'm going to cover the 3 CD products from Marcus, explain benefits of each, and then go from there. One thing to call out is that all these options require a $500 minimum to open. First up, we have the high yield CD, and this is really the more traditional option. So you have terms from 6 months to 6 years. Regardless though, with this you get what's known as the 10-day CD rate guarantee. So once you open your account, you deposit that $500. If within the next 10 days, the rate offered from Marcus goes up, you'll be eligible to receive that as well. Now, as mentioned, one of the cons of these CDs is that early withdrawal penalty. So specifically with this high yield CD, if you withdraw your amount early before the entirety of your term period, you will have to pay a penalty. You can read more about it on Marcus's website, but essentially depending on the length of the term of your CD, if you withdraw the money, you could have to pay 90 days interest on your original principal amount all the way up to 270 days. For example, if you have a 2-year CD, you are subject to have to pay 180 days of interest on your original principal amount if you withdraw your principal early. There is, however, another CD option from Marcus that avoids these penalties entirely. Next, we have the no penalty CD. And this is more of the flexible option. For terms, you can currently choose between 7 months, 11 months, or 13 months. And the biggest benefit of this option is that there is a $0 early withdrawal penalty. So for example, if you deposit your money, you open this CD, if you wait at least 7 days, then withdraw your money, you're not subject to have to pay any early withdrawal penalties. Again, if you're kind of shying away from the traditional CD, this could be a good option to consider. As a result of avoiding this early penalty fee though, the APY offered from the CD tends to be a little bit lower from the high yield CD itself. But again, that trade-off could be worth it depending on the flexibility you want with your CDs. Okay, now lastly, we have the rate bump CD. This is more of a hedge option. Now, this is currently only available for a 20-month term. The nuance here is that you are locked into whatever rate you see when you first sign up, but within your term period, if for whatever reason Marcus raises interest rates on the specific CD offering, you can request a one-time rate increase. So now you know the difference between HYSAs and CDs, but you may be wondering which is the right option for you. I will say personally, I have both an HYSA with Marcus and multiple CDs, so you really don't have to choose one or the other. But it tends to make more sense to open a CD when you have a lump sum of money where you want to have predictability. You don't necessarily need the flexibility of being able to immediately withdraw your money. So if you have this excess cash, you don't need it for a while, a CD can make more sense. Alternatively, it can make more sense to use an HYSA if you want a place to store and then access your emergency fund. Additionally, this makes more sense if you think interest rates could continue to rise and you want to keep on getting those rate bump increases. Above all, Marcus by Goldman Sachs could be one of the best places for you to store your money, whether it's in an HYSA or a CD. If you're interested, again, the link will be in the description to sign up. And with that, I will see you in the next one.